If you're like me and you got a little creek like this kind of behind your house and you just want to like do a little bit of fishing, I like coming out here catching a little bit of bluegill and maybe some small bass or something. And one thing I need is a set of chest waders. I do have some boots, but you know what? Boots only get you so far. And just so you guys know, these waders are the type without the boots installed. These have the neoprene booties at the bottom. Honestly, you could probably even go like without a shoe or boot in general, but you know what? I recommend wearing a shoe. They do make wader boots, and I'm going to order me some wader boots probably coming up, but right now I'm just going to use my Astral TR1s. But let's just go ahead and look over the waders themselves here. You can see the neoprene booties there. It has a elastic cuff that goes down, and see that hook? That hook's going to hook onto the bottom of your wader boots down in the top there. They have padded reinforced knees with a cut for bend. That's a bend cut. So there's a reinforced knees. This is a very breathable, waterproof fabric that they have on this. I don't know the name. I don't know if it's a proprietary fabric, but I've already used these and I thought it worked really good. Waterproof zippered pocket right here on the chest. Right here, and you have this would basically work great for like a plain old box or something like that. You have little molly straps for attaching right there. You have a inside kind of hidden pocket right in there. Very nice for like maybe your fishing license or something like that. You can see, and the size I got mine in were large, and it seems like I wear between a large and a medium, and I'll kind of go back and forth, but these things go up to like I think triple X large. Usually when I'm fly fishing or I'm out fishing on a creek, I'm probably wearing a lot of stuff under it. Today I'm just wearing shorts, but normally I'd be wearing like a suit or something under it to stay warm. You got to stay warm out there. You have a more attachment here for attaching things. You've got some pretty big adjustable, look at the size of these buckles. These are the like suspender harnesses that go around, and you have a waist harness, a waist belt that goes around, and all of this is adjustable. So let me go there. I mean, pretty much, and let's look at the back. And looking over the back, you have a little loop right here, and that's where I'm going to thread the belt back through here. So let me go ahead, put these on. Let's do some walking around, a little bit of fishing. Let's see how they work. So let's get to it now. Okay, pulling them up. First thing I'm going to do is throw the straps around. I did already adjust these straps, everybody. And these would be quick safety straps if I needed to get out pretty fast. Say if I fall in head over, like water that's over my head, all I can do is hit that and I come right out of these things. So see how quickly, I've already used them once. Then you got the waist belt that goes around, and check that out. Now the shoe that I'm going to go with today is going to be the Astral TR1, and it goes well over these neoprenes like that, and these have drainages on the sides. There's the little hook. Ain't that neat? There it is, everybody. These are nice. I like this. And then in this, I've got my multi-tool. We'll go in there. A little bit of sunscreen will go in there. Now, normally I'd be running a Play-Doh box or something like that in there, and that works really well for that. But today, that's all I'm going to put in there. Walking out here in the water. Now, right here is probably waist deep. So what I feel the pressure of the water all around me, but it is super dry. I couldn't get this way down here in some boots. And then I can just cast up under there. See, it'd be hard to cast from the bank and not get tangled up in this. So that's why I'm coming over here like this. And watch when I come out of the water. Look how dry these things are. You guys see that? That's impressive. Now, notice what it did. It's draining right here. There's drainage pockets right there out of the knees. Let me walk on that too. I pretty much walked around all around this creek, I went all the way up to about waist deep, and everything seems to be super dry, very comfortable. I highly recommend these things. Easily accessible, all the pockets. I've been out here fishing pretty much all day. There it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, the 8 fan chest waders. See you all in the next video.